So hello everybody, welcome back to yet another video. I know it's been a while since I made the last one, but I'm back at it and I'm hoping to make a good bit of videos before the pool season's over. This is my 15-foot by 48-inch Intex Prism frame swimming pool. And as you can tell, it's in pretty good shape. This is its second year in operation with the Intex saltwater system and the 2,500 gallon hour filter pump. And I have to say it's going pretty well. My last pool, which was the 15 by 48 Ultra frame, had issues with frame rust, which this pool still does have a couple issues with frame rust due to the salt water and its corrosive nature, but still, it's in decent shape. This is the worst joint on the pool, which, as you can tell, it has a good bit of rust, but it's surface rust. All of my what I did this year was I actually wire brushed all of my joints and bumped my camera stand. I wire brushed each joint and I actually spray painted them. So these are all rattle can paint jobs. Let me get you all set up right there. So I took a wire brush, went around all the edges on these, brushed them all up, put these plastic pins in, and that's how you put the pool together. Now I did patch a couple holes. There was one in the bottom over there, and there was one on the side over here. Actually, we're right at it. I don't know if the camera will catch that. Yeah, there's a little patch right there. We've had a bit of an algae problem as of recent. It was like a brownish, blackish algae that grew on the bottom of the pool. And what I did to mitigate that was I actually used a big broom. Here, let me show y'all. I put it on an extendable universal paint roller like handle, and it's a big plastic brush, like very chunky plastic brush. And what I did was I just semi-aggressively brushed the bottom of the swimming pool. As you can tell, there's a bit of algae, the dead algae down there. I poured a gallon of bleach in the pool as well. That is dead algae. Let me skim the pool a little bit for what little dirt there is in it. Let me get you all set up back here. I gotta get back into the video making groove. I'm probably not gonna throw an intro on this at all because I don't like doing intros anymore. I realize they're kind of cringy and the music is loud, and really you're supposed to just get straight to the point with a YouTube video. Anyway, this is our ultimate skimmer. This is like a 25-foot pole. And my hair is probably screwed up, whatever. I just went on a bike ride, so I'm probably not looking too great. But whatever. There's a lot of dead algae on the bottom of this bad boy. But that's to be expected considering I poured a lot of bleach into the pool and kicked up all the old dead algae. So, if you all wonder, my old Canon camcorder, it is dead. I can't get it to work. So I'm using my 720p good old Sony Cybershot. So sorry that this video is in 720p, but it's better than nothing, I guess. There are a couple of little bugs on the surface of the pool, but overall, pretty good spot. Down here. Oh, so my saltwater system was having some issues as of recent, and it turns out it kept throwing a code 91 no matter how much salt I put in. Which I realized the salt, we had plenty of salt in here. So what I did was I looked up some common fixes to these problems, or to that problem in general. What I found was that, let me show you all real quick. Let me set my skimmer up here. And scope it back in. There we go. And set it up against the house. Alrighty. So our saltwater system. Let's get down here. Alrighty, so our saltwater system has two cells. This is the main chlorinator cell, and this is supposed to be a measuring cell, which kind of measures the resistance between the positive and negative, or anode and cathode, which are titanium plates. And I believe by that resistance it determines how much salt is present in the pool. Now what I did was I actually took this cover off, and there are terminals to install the salt cells wires on, and there are terminals to install that warning cell's lights on. I call it the warning cell because it was coded WARN, which is just, warning cell. And what I did was I moved that worn cell over to the salt cells terminals. I used crimp connects, and I actually crimped some new wires. I crimped connectors onto the wires and moved them over to the other terminals, and it's been working great ever since. It's been making a bit more chlorine too, because it's actually using that anode and cathode now to generate chlorine. And as you can tell, the plastics are a bit yellowed, but overall I'd say it's in good shape. Our filter cleaning. This one's going to be a treat because I haven't cleaned the filter yet. You heard me right. I put a new one in a month ago and I didn't clean it. I wanted to save for the video, which now we got a video. So also I have one suction port disabled for better suction on the skimmer. Let's clean the skimmer bathroom first. Let's see what's in here. Looks like a couple dead wasps, a couple dead beetles. Let's see what the haul is. And that, let me get a good old money shot. That's the haul from the skimmer. Pretty clean. Now let's close up these valves and take apart our pump. Lock that. And that. I got these improved Type B adapters last year, and I do have to say they're a lot better than the normal ones, where they had the sort of, they had like a twisting, a nut that you twist that was plastic, and it would close up. I don't know how to explain it. It was basically a pipe with slits cut in it, lengthwise, about halfway up it, and what you do is those are threaded, and you would thread an actual nut onto that, and it would squeeze tight around the black sort of, let me go over here, that thing. It would squeeze tight around that. I don't know what to call it, so I'm just calling that thing. But our valves are closed, so let's open up our pump. This filter is going to be nasty as hell, but that's okay. Oh my god, I didn't say heck. Censor that. Cut. No. Ooh, okay, we got a dirty filter. And I mean dirty. This sediment flush is nasty. Holy smokes. Look at that. My goodness, this thing was well overdue. Let's open that. While this drains, we will clean this filter up. Alright, that's drained. Throw this over here. Look at that. Drop some headphones, whatever. Both of my headphones came out. Wow. And now, let's turn our water on, and let's clean that bad boy off. Let's move y'all back, get all front and center on the situation. There you go. Might have to crank our water pressure up, we'll see. Let's see here. Oh yeah, that ain't gonna cut it. We need a bit more than that. There's the full 120 psi. Let's see what that does. Holy smokes, that's a lot of water pressure. I really should try to find a nozzle, but that's okay. Look at that water coming out of it. Ugh. That is not nice. No wonder the pump is circulating so bad. There's a good way to get some out. Right at the bottom. This filter is filthy. And this is going to take a minute, so you'll get a deluxe edition cleaning today. That's for sure. Whew. That is nasty. I can go. No. Look at that. Look at that. Ugh. Let's hit it with this. Headphones again. Whatever. I'm going to run it from the inside out to try to get more dirt out, because some of it is just stuck in here. I think that's good for now, though. Not perfect, but it ain't bad. Let me pick my headphones up, actually, and wash them real quick. It's recording still, yeah. We're good. Hope they're okay. They're water. They claim they're waterproof on the Chinese website, so. Or Amazon, sorry. Oh, here's the hopper. Throw those up there so these things can't be hurt anymore. There we go. Alrighty. I'm gonna go cut the water off. I'm experimenting with a more minimal editing system where I just don't really edit these videos anymore. I want to put more out, so also my computer's very slow, so I can't really edit anymore. If y'all don't know, I have only a dual core CPU. It's a Pentium 3258, I think. Very slow. I'm either upgrading to a Ryzen 7 3700X or the next gen AMD part when it comes out, depending on the price, but I'm definitely looking into a new computer soon. So might be able to do, you know, some gaming content, Minecraft, Forza, stuff like that. As it sits, though, it's not a very fast machine. But computer stuff aside, let's open these valves back up. Man, these things are hard to turn for some reason. Whatever. Good enough. Valves are open. Let some water come out of there. Open our motor primer too. Oh yeah, that's good. It's PPN everywhere. It's gonna take forever. There we go. And we are good. Kick our pump on the timer mode. Right. Saltwater system on. We have our saltwater system set for 10-hour operation. We are going. As soon as that salt system decides to start working, we're good. Let's test our flow. Let's check out how much pressure we got going here. Sorry again, this thing is recording at only 720p because that's all it can do. Oh yeah, we got pressure. We got good pressure. I might throw a new filter cartridge in soon, but that one's kind of toast, but still chooching pretty good. And now, yep, our salt water kicked on. We have a solid working light. That's excellent. Skimmer's working as it should. I will be sure to post more updates, but I'm probably gonna film another one tomorrow. We'll see. I might film some different videos tomorrow too. For now, I'm gonna enjoy the sunset, go inside, edit this video up, aka post a title, upload it, and see y'all later. Sorry for the wait. I know it's been a long one. Hope it was worth it. See y'all around.